Good morning, children. In the last class, we know about how Miss Beam's school was teach the children. In their school, they made one lame day, one blind day. So that type of games they teach for children because they want to teach the morals like kindness and thoughtfulness and made them to become helpers. So in the next paragraph number 10, there is no misery about it, Miss Beam continued. Everyone is very kind and it is really something of a game before the day is over, though even the most thoughtless child realizes what misfortune is. So Miss Beam was continued her speech to the author. She said there is no difficulty for the children about this type of game. So children, here she said to author, there is no difficulty for all children about this game. So before the day is over, every child will realize what the misfortune is. So the school main aim is to realize the children what the misfortune is, means how the misfortune people lead life, okay, how they want to help from others. So these type of teachings they teach in their school. In the 11th paragraph, the blind day is of course really the worst, but some of the children tell me that the dumb day is the most difficult. We cannot bandage the children's mouth, so they really have to exercise their willpower. Come into the garden and see for yourself how the children feel about it. So Miss Beam was explained to the author, the blind day is a really worst. So she said the blind day is really worst, but the children opinion is dumb day is the most difficult game. So Miss Beam was told to author, we can't bandage the children's mouth. So usually children can't sit silently as a 1 minute. So she said we can't bandage the children's mouth. So the dumb day is a tough exercise to them. So the teachers are very difficulty to control their mouths. So every teachers face the difficulty to control the mouths of the children in the school also. So the children wants to have willpower to do this activity. Really silentness is the very willpower activity for the children. So in the next, Miss Beam led me to one of the bandaged girls. Here's a gentleman come to talk to you, said Miss Beam and left us. So in the next paragraph, Miss Beam led the authors to one of the bandaged girls and she said to them, here is one of the gentleman come to talk with you. So she left him to the bandaged girls for the discussion. In the next paragraph, don't you ever peep? I asked the girl. Oh no, she exclaimed, that would be cheating, but I had no idea it was so awful to the blind. You can't see a thing, you feel you are going to be hit by something every moment. It is such a relief just to sit down. So, in the next, the author asked to one of the girl, like, has you peeped? Means when you waste the bandage in your eyes, sometimes you looks outside of the bandage. So the girl asked to him, oh no, it like cheating. So the girl also said to him, she don't do the cheating, but she don't have any idea of blindness is a bad thing to the blinders. So because only they are playing has become blinders, lame and dumb. So they don't have any idea about the blindness. So here the author said, how do you feel? He asked, how do you feel? You feel as you going to hit by something every moment. So he asked to the girl, so you feel as you going to hit by something every moment as you become bandaged. Then he said to the girl, your helpers are kind to you. So the author asked the girls, your helpers are very kind to you. So next, fairly, but they are not as careful as I shall be when it is my turn. Those that have been blind already are the best helpers. It's perfectly ghastly not to see. I wish you would try. Shall I lead you anywhere? I asked. So the girl answered, sure, they are very kind to help. So the author asked the girl, when you are bandaged, when you are become blind day, when you followed the blind day, your followers are helping you or they are very kind to you or not? So girl answered, they are very kind to us. So but they are not careful when I was turned my wound. So but she said they are not careful when she was turned as own. So those who are already blind, they are best helpers. So she also said those who are already blind people, they are the best helpers. So she asked, uncle, you also try it. So she asked to the author, you also try it. So the author asked the girl to do lead her anywhere. So the girl is accepted or not it. Okay. So here the author girl asked to the author, you also try how the helpers are helping to us. So the author asked her next, anywhere can I lead you? So the girl accept or not, we will know in the next video. Thank you children.